The problem that we'll have here is from June 2017. It is question 14, paper 1, Edexcel specification. We have here the information of the problem, and we're going to try to solve it. Now, if you feel like you want to do it yourself, go ahead and stop the video and then do it yourself. When you're done, stop and then compare your answer with my answer. If not, we can work together. We can go along with a solution. Let's get started. So we read here the information and try to write them in a mathematical form. So first thing that we know is that the white shapes over black shapes is 3/7. We also know that white circle over white square is 4/3. And then finally, another information that we have is that the ratio between the black circles and the black squares is 2/5. Now this is what we got, and we are asked to find what fraction of all the shapes are circles. So we'll go ahead and say that the number of shapes, total number of the shapes, is n, unknown number, doesn't have to be found out, just n. And then using the information that we got before, we're going to express how many white circles we have and how many black circles we have. So from first information, we got that the white shapes it's 3/10 out of the total number of shapes, because 3/7 is white over black. So in total there are 10 parts, from which 3/10 are white. Now, Y circles are over Y squares are 4/5. So from the Y shapes, circles, white circles are 4/9. So 4/9 of white shapes are white circles. And then we know how many are white shapes. They are 3/10n, so we put it here. And in the end, we'll get that the white circles are 4/30 of n. Okay, now we're going to try to figure it out. The black circles. First, we know that black shapes are 7 out of 10 shapes. And the black circles are 2 out of 7. 2 out of the black shapes black circle over black square are 2 over 5. But of the black shapes, black circles are 2 over 2 plus 5, 7, 2 over 7 of black shapes. Now, we know the black shapes here. We have it 7 over 10, so we're going to replace it, and we are going to get 2 over 7 out of 7 over 10 times n. Now, finally, we get that black circles are 1 over 5 of n of total shapes. Now, if we add them up, we are going to get the total number of the circle. That's we are after. So then we'll have the total number of the circle is 4 over 30n plus 1 over 5n. And we add them up, and we get, in the end, 10n over 30, which, after we simplify, we're gonna get 1 over 3n. So this is the answer. The number of the circles over number of the shapes is 1/3. So the ratio of the circle of all the shape is 1/3. And that's all you have to do. That's it.